With Azure, you can simplify your security and cut costs by replacing multiple security tools with a single comprehensive solution.
Welcome back to the Azure Essentials Show. I'm your host, Aaron Stark, and today I'm joined by my colleagues, Gabi Pacheco and Marco Bellini. We're going to be exploring why organizations are migrating to Azure and the guidance available to make your migration journey a success. Gabi and Marco, welcome to you both.
Thanks for having me, Aaron.
Great to be here.
And excited to have you here. Now, Gabi, can we start with the big picture? What is migrating to Azure all about?
Absolutely, Aaron. At its core, migrating to Azure is all about transforming your business to become more agile, secure, and productive. But this transformation isn't just a one-time event. It's a journey that requires thorough planning, careful execution, and ongoing management. That's where Azure Essentials comes in as the foundation for organizations to embark on this journey with confidence.
And we love Azure Essentials here. Although we're the Azure Essentials Show, so we might be a little bit biased. Our regular viewers will remember how Azure Essentials combines Microsoft's best practices, product experiences, and a ton of other resources to help you get the most out of your cloud and AI investments. But I'm curious, what does Azure Essentials have for migration specifically?
Azure Essentials has plenty of guidance for a secure and successful migration. That guidance outlines a clear three-step process. We start with establishing a solid foundation and ensuring readiness for migration. From there, we move to designing and deploying with proper governance in mind. And finally, we focus on managing and optimizing deployments for long-term success because the cloud journey doesn't end after migration.
Incredible. And thank you for breaking it down. I feel like those steps make the migration process a lot more manageable. And once organizations actually understand this approach, what tangible benefits can they expect when they migrate to Azure?
Sure, Aaron. I highlight the key benefits. The first is AI readiness. When you migrate to Azure, you can collocate and streamline your data to build Gen AI solutions on a trusted cloud foundation. Next is security. With Azure, you can simplify your security and cut costs by replacing multiple security tools with a single comprehensive solution. Another benefit is maximizing ROI and performance, since organizations can run their workload faster and at a lower cost. And finally, Azure delivers cloud agility anywhere. That means you can secure and govern your entire digital state across hybrid, multi-cloud, and edge environments on your own terms.
Awesome. AI readiness, performance, security, cloud agility, these benefits make a very compelling case for migrating to Azure. And Gabi, what skilling resources does Azure Essentials provide to help people get up to speed with Azure migration?
There are a few I would like to highlight, Aaron. One is the Azure Fundamentals course. This gives you a foundational knowledge of cloud concepts, core Azure services, plus Azure management and governance features and tools. We also offer Build-Your Training Days. These are free training events of Microsoft Learn that teams love because they build practical skills, help prepare for certifications, and open up new career advancement opportunities. Finally, we have Azure Credentials, which range from role-based certifications to scenario-specific applied skills credentials. They're a way to showcase your expertise with validations that are trusted and recognized across the industry.
I couldn't agree more. Those sound like incredible resources. Now, Marco, I understand that there are actually even more skilling plans available on Microsoft Learn. Can you tell the viewers and I a little bit more about what these are?
Absolutely, Aaron. Thank you for asking. There are 5 specialized skilling plans on Microsoft Learn to support your Azure migration journey. These are all fantastic learning resources for a successful migration. I'd like to highlight 3 of these plans in particular for our viewers today. The first plan teaches you to process the process of migrating Windows Server workloads on VMware solutions to Azure so you can be AI ready. It also demonstrates how to bring Azure innovation to hybrid environments with Azure Arc.
Got it. And that sounds perfect for organizations with legacy window environments that might want to leverage AI capabilities. Can you tell us a little bit more about what that second skilling plan entails?
Yes, absolutely. So the second plan dives even deeper into migrating and securing Windows Server workloads on Azure. The plan covers how to migrate physical and virtual on-premises Windows Server workloads to Azure. And you can leverage the benefits of cloud computing while still using your familiar Windows Server workloads. It covers various tools and services such as Azure Site Recovery, Azure Virtual Machine, Azure Backup, and Azure Monitor. It supports the migration and management process.
And that's great. It definitely sounds like there's a lot of skilling support for all of these Windows Server scenarios. And can you tell us a little bit more about that third plan?
This third skilling plan focuses on Linux and PostgreSQL workloads. This plan shows you how to migrate and extend your Linux-based workloads to Azure with improved scalability, security, and privacy. You also learn about Linux solutions and benefits, Azure Cloud Services, and the main features of PostgreSQL, and how they work in Azure Database for PostgreSQL.
And those skilling plans sound very, very valuable for a range of different migration situations. Marco, are there any other migration-related learning resources that you'd like to call out today?
I'd like to mention the Migrate to Innovate Summit. This is a free digital event all about migrating and modernizing your infrastructure, databases, and applications to Azure to be secure and AI ready. It features 2 specialized migration tracks, one dedicated to Windows Server and SQL Server environments, while the other one is focusing on migrating and modernizing your Linux estate. You can watch all sessions from the event on demand.
Fantastic. And this sounds like those sessions would actually complement the skilling plans very nicely. Gabi and Marco, thank you again so much for coming on today's episode, and thank you for sharing your knowledge about migrating to Azure and highlighting all of these incredible, valuable skilling resources.
Thanks, Aaron. I really enjoy our conversation.
Thanks for having us, Aaron.
Absolutely. Always a pleasure. You can find all the links for all the resources that we discussed in today's episode in the description below. Don't forget to leave your feedback, any comments, like, and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when new episodes drop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Azure Essentials Show.